about something that we saw earlier this week in the models, where we had a hurricane with a certain pressure that didn't really change all that much once it left North Carolina. And that really kind of boggled my mind, because I'm thinking, okay, moving north of North Carolina, the water's not as warm. It's going to be interrupted by the jet stream. But now it seems the position of the jet stream, Brian, may actually help keep it strong all the way up to the northeast.
Yeah, this was a very good catch by the Philadelphia National Weather Service office, looking at the internals of the models. We talk about the models all the time. This is looking at the upper air. And take a look at this, and let me lay this out for you, because this is a very disconcerting step that the models are taking, and maybe it accounts for the fact we see such a strong hurricane in the north. So as we've been showing you, and we'll show you again just a little bit if you're just tuning in, the GFS model, it's called, that's the American model, puts the hurricane in the vicinity of the Jersey Shore, New York, here on Sunday in the morning. Now, here's the jet stream we've been talking about, kind of dipping down in here, and what the model is indicating is something called a jet streak. That's a pocket of very fast air moving through the jet stream, kind of like a pulse moving along. Well, what happens when that very fast air moves along over top of a low pressure system like this, it pulls air out of it, out of the top of it, and that pulling air out can strengthen the storm. So that may account for the fact that we're seeing a significant storm, stronger than we normally see at that latitude up that far north. So if that is part of it, it's just not a good development at all. While we're here, let's go ahead and take a look at the other models that if I can get them to come up. There they go. So here are the variety of models as far as the center of the storm. So the model that we were talking about there is this one. That's the one that was a different representation of. But notice all of these are very threatening for North Carolina, the Mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast. Just it depends on, and we cannot pinpoint any one of those tracks, but all of them are very, very bad. Chris.